Hey guys, what is up? This is Rose with Lightspeed Fieros, and today I'm going to be showing you how you install a cup holder inside of your Pontiac Fiero. It's going to be super simple, super quick. You're not even going to believe what I'm about to tell you, okay? All you need for this is a cup, your Fiero, and to demonstrate, I'm going to be using this new Coke to show you just how well this cup holder works, okay? It's pretty easy, watch, okay? So, I got my cup. This is just a plastic cup. And I'm gonna slip it right behind my gauge pod. Now that I've got my cup inside of my gauge pod, I'm gonna put my drink there. I know, you guys are mind blown right now. And that is how you install a cup holder into your Pontiac Fiero.